Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to pin a text on Instagram story. So let's start. Now let's start creating a story. I'll just take a video. Now add a text on this video. Now I'll add a background and change the color so that it is visible. Now I'll make it small. Now to pin it, you have to long press it and you'll find the option to pin the text element. Now drag into the position and tap on pin. And here you'll see that the text has been pinned to the video. And that's how you can create an animation. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.